Higher level publishers, 50K and above, don't use AI to write their books. They are using human ghostwriters. The reason is because they are not spending $500 or $600 to get a book produced. They're spending $2, $3, or $4 grand sometimes to get a single book produced. That includes cover formatting, book design, different than formatting, massive editing, and of course, actual writing by a person. In fact, my buddy Marco, shout out to the Urban Writers and Dibley, who runs Dibley and the Urban Writers, tells me, he's like, man, we are seeing a massive surge on human writers. That has been increasing every single month for them over at the Urban Writers and Dibley, that more and more people are going back to using human ghostwriters. All the big spenders who are dropping like 10 to 15 grand when they're ordering books with him are using humans to write their books. That should tell you something. And why? Because a human still writes better than AI. AI writes really, really good, and they write really, really fast. But a human is still different. It still has that unique touch, especially with certain topics. And using a human at this point in the game when everything's AI, that gives you a massive advantage. And so that's just something else. And it's like, hey, I still use all AI. Like all my books are AI. I'm not spending $3, $4 grand to write a book right now. But guess what? Publishing's part-time for me. I sell a course, right? My money comes from course sales. But publishing, doing $225 to $250, that's $250,000 a year. Like that's not light money, right? So I take it seriously, but like we're not using humans. We use AI still because I need the publishing business to keep running because it's like $250,000 a year. It's still good money. But it allows me to keep a good pulse on how this industry is doing. How's the space doing, so I can keep improving my ability to teach you guys all these lessons.